Hello, I'm Sama Dzei with VOA60 Elections. Republican frontrunner Donald Trump has faced backlash from both parties after he suggested then walked back a statement that women who undergo abortions should be punished in some way. In an interview with MSNBC, Trump said he was pro-life, and when he was pressed for how that would be enforced, said the quote, "Answer is that there has to be some form of punishment. Yeah," unquote. The campaign later released a statement saying doctors should be punished, not the woman. The New York Times says Trump now trails Texas Senator Ted Cruz by 10 points in the latest round of polling in Wisconsin. The Wall Street Journal says the campaign of Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders has begun to shift its focus to gaining support from superdelegates, delegates that can choose who they vote for at the convention without being swayed by vote totals in states. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.